let's look at the top automotive news of the week. This is no ordinary Thar. Meet the Mahindra Thar Roxx based ATV. And Anand Mahindra says this vehicle is purpose-built for India's armed forces. The vehicle will be pitched to the army for trials, post which orders may be taken based on requirement. Roxx based ATV gets all-terrain tires, a roll cage, and rock sliders. It is powered by a 172 horsepower, 400 Nm, 2.2-litre diesel engine with a 4x4 drive layout. The Land Rover Defender has been showcased as a potential multi-role military SUV for the Indian Army by Tata Advanced Systems. With a rugged build, modular design, and proven off-road capabilities, the Defender is being pitched for roles ranging from troop transport to logistics and support duties, as Army looks to modernize its light utility vehicle fleet. Mini India has opened pre-bookings for the Cooper SGP Inspired Edition, a limited run hatch restricted to just 30 units. Based on the Cooper S JCW pack, it features exclusive styling inspired by Mini's motorsport heritage and is powered by the same 2-litre turbo petrol engine. Deliveries will begin in May 2026. Nissan has launched twin-cylinder retrofitment kit for the Gravite at a premium of 83,000 rupees. Offered at the dealership level, the CNG kit preserves MPV's 7-seat layout through a stacked dual-cylinder design.